If you are wondering if you can play Madden NFL 26 without the access to the internet, then the answer is yes, it is still possible to play the game even if you are offline. And of course, options are limited. We do not have access to many different game modes, for example, the online head-to-head, of course. Some quick play options are limited, but you can play a simple game. You can create your own custom game, for example. You can play couch co-op. Of course, the online H2H is not working. The Superstar mode also is not working because this is an online mode. There is the franchise mode which you can play. So you can easily enter the franchise. And you can create your own league if you decide to play offline solo. So if you do so, you don't have to have access to the internet, and you can play it without the access to the internet. Of course, the Ultimate Team is fully online game mode, so you cannot access it, and that's about it. And of course, the training camp works as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.